Founder Point of View episode 2 is all about making a big decision that has changed the direction of the brand. It's involved some very honest, hard to hear feedback, but I knew something instinctively wasn't right. And in this episode, you are going to see why. You are going to find out why we've made the decision to go in a change of direction. So today we're on a call with the agency for them to present the skin identity look and feel. I'm really looking forward to seeing how everything could come together and what they're proposing. This is a new category for us and I'm excited to see how they visualize it in their mind. So I like this. Good makeup starts with good practice. This is cool. So today we had a buying meeting and this is where I'm seeing the official first sample of our new lip peptides that are launching this year. And you know what? Unfortunately, it's not it. The vibe, the packaging, it's not exciting me to the point that I've declined them. I'm just still unsure of the lip elixir for me, just doesn't ring home. I love the gloss shot, but it's still not telling me it's a lip balm. But just something about these isn't clicking for me. It's not me, and I'm the founder, I'm at the root of this. I need to love it. If I'm not excited by the product, then you're not going to be excited. Our pink is too pink and the nude is too brown. I'm definitely going to have to go back and rethink this because it's just definitely not where it needs to be. Hello!
Hello, Suzanne.
Hello. How's things?
Good. No news, good news.
So I'm home now, my mum and dad's, and this is the moment of truth, I feel. I had a buying meeting today and I just feel the packaging is not the direction we should be going in. I mean, when you look at SoSu, do you think we're going down the wrong path at the moment in terms of our look, our feel, our products?
I think you are. You know, what your people want, what your followers want is just go back to the roots.
What do you think?
I'm just here with the Chinese.
It's a ring door.
What we say is probably not what you want to hear, is it? So is this the packaging? These colours? Not really your vibe, is it, Suzanne? Because I don't think it's you. It was the contour, it was the palette, it was the lashes.
As her mum, it's my job to say, get back to your roots, get back to what you're good at, and get back to how you built this in the first place.
I just think if you stay true to you, everything has happened and things happen for a reason. That's life.
Suzanne is an extremely strong and resilient individual. She has been through so much over the past couple of years and she's also human. But with the media, I think it's knocked her confidence that little bit.
You're going to have your good days, your bad days. You ask your followers what they want and you'd see the simple brings back to where you came from and what you are, what you are all about.
I want to remind her of who she is and how she built this brand. 10 years she started it, her own creativity, her own gut instinct. She followed her focus, followed her dreams. You were a lot younger and you had the strength and courage to do what your gut instinct was telling you.
I might need a glass of wine.
I might need a bottle of wine. Right, I'm going home. I need to sing.
Have me crying now.
So I'm sitting at my desk and I get a WhatsApp. Have you seen this TikTok video? My heart sank. What now? I open it up and it's a video of a girl, Demi. She goes into about how clean girl aesthetic has been done, it's a bit boring, it's not SoSu, and that we need to lean back into glam.
Because I feel like they were such like the it girl brand back in the day, like with the contour palette, they're such baddie makeup. I feel like they need to lean back into their full glam.
I think I might need to meet this girl.
But yeah, SoSu, petition, let's bring back SoSu 2026.
And you know what, hearing it, it really does sound very similar to what my mom said. And is there an element of truth here? So it's late at night, I'm in the shower and my mind is running overdrive. I just don't know what to do next. I'm feeling a bit defeated. Even talking about it now, I get emotional. Oh my God. Memory lane. Makes me a bit emotional. I am lost. I don't know where I'm going with this brand. So the only way I know my way out of situations like this is to journal, to sit down and put it all in front of me. This was what put us on the map. And I know the light bulb moment will come. Black, so much nicer. I'm now looking at items that put us on the map. The contour palette, the highlighter palette. You guys absolutely loved them. The lashes that we did. This is the lash collaboration that we did with the amazing Lauren Pope. And it was our very first collaboration that we ever did. Lauren was just the dream to work with. This is me and Mauve, a makeup artist we used to have create the lashes, the different ones. These are Erica, Sophia, Katie and Carla on the eye. And of course, this was like one of our first packaging, like look at this. This for me is the beginning of Sosu. Like lashes really is our DNA. And somewhere along the line, I've lost my way. Somewhere along the line, I've tried to fit into trends and change the brand direction when I shouldn't have. And the nude, just don't stand out as much. It's all about going back to basics and the roots right now. And I think this moment on the floor right here is telling me, it's a sign. Suzanne, back to glam. Go back to what you love and go back to how you built this in the beginning. Lashes 2, contour. 3, glow. 5, brushes. Here right now on the floor, just looking at everything, this is the heart of Sosu. And it makes me emotional because I don't see that heart in the brand anymore. Yeah, I'm emotional because that's the heart of my business right there on the floor. And somewhere along the line, the heartbeat has stopped. And now I'm wondering if we've completely drifted away from what everyone knows Sosu to be. It's time for a change. Now that I've gotten a bit of fire back in my belly, this is not the right route to go with this skincare campaign. It's too safe. I know it's late, but I need to pick up the phone to Paula. Paula is our creative director and a friend, and I just need to make sure I'm not losing my mind.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How are you, honey?
Good. Listen, I'm sorry it's late. I just wanted to
Hi.
have a bit of a chat if you're free.
Absolutely. What's up?
So last night I got a call from Suzanne, who actually never sleeps.
I just want a reality check. That's kind of where I'm at the moment.
Okay.
We obviously have this skincare shoot planned,
Yes.
and I just don't feel it's the right avenue. I went down to my mum tonight after a meeting today, and the lip peptides that landed in are just looking very clean, girl, and just not really our aesthetic. And then
Okay.
just thinking about this skin shoot and all that, and like this, you know, swipe of moisturiser on the face, I just don't feel it's us, Paula. And I really feel we need to lean back into like what we are known for, like lashes, contour. I'm looking at everything on the ground here in front of me.
Yeah.
And I'm just thinking, for the shoot for skincare, should it be more obviously about prep? We want that anyway, but should we show prep, then the transformation, and then the glam? Like, should we bring it back to the glam, or is that dated? Like, am I losing my mind? I feel like we need to rethink the idea for the skincare shoot. It's not going to land as clean girl aesthetic, and to my relief,
I am completely for it.
No. You know what? I am literally so happy that you said this, because I think I was kind of going down this route myself.
okay.
And I've been looking back at old pictures and stuff that we've done together.
Yeah.
And you know what? We're all about glam. We're all about makeup. And I feel the clean girl has been done so much. It's like, should we just go back to our roots?
Where we started. She agrees. I am so thrilled in this moment, but I'm also emotional in this moment because it's reinforcing that my gut instinct is right.
Back to where you started, exactly.
Yeah.
And this is the conversation that we had at the start when I came on board. You know, it was like, you know, you are this brand and you're all about like glam and lashes and beauty and just absolutely gorgeous makeup, you know.
Yeah.
I'm so happy that you're like thinking the same way.
We're changing our minds. Like, they have this gorgeous deck, as you saw, and it's all pretty.
Yes.
And like, I just feel that could be any skincare brand where we need to show up as Sosu.
I mean, that's what I think, you know, as a makeup artist, for me, skincare is about making your makeup look better. It's not about trying to be a skincare brand, you know.
Yeah, I agree, Paula.
I'm so excited for this.
Okay, good. And the photo shoot direction, everything's going to change now. We have to convince the team tomorrow, but I'm gonna.
It wouldn't be you if things didn't change.
It's so true.
I love it, baby.
I love you. But thank you for making me feel normal, because I thought I was losing my mind.
I love this. I love this for you. This is so good.
Thanks, Paula.
Okay, girl. All right, get some sleep.
Okay. Bye. Good night.
Bye, girl.
Love you. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Love
Bye.
you.
I thought I was going mad. Fuck. Emotional. I get straight to work. As soon as the idea goes off in my mind and I speak to Paula and it's reconfirmed, I'm now getting straight into creating the deck. The next person I need to speak to and convince is the team. Today I've sent an email to the team to let them know for everyone to get together in the boardroom for 1:30. I'm sure they're nervous. I told them it's not bad news, it's just something I wanted to run by them all as a team. I have to admit, I'm more nervous about sitting in front of them than I think I've ever been in front of anyone in my whole career. I really want the team to be on this vision and this journey with me, and I just hope and I pray that they're going to get just as excited as me and Paula have.
I've been doing a lot of thinking over the last couple of weeks, particularly since we've come back into the business this year. While I suppose the fire's in my belly, I think it's important that I share it with you all as a team.
I'm calling it the comeback, the glam gal, the comeback strategy. All those words that I hope is going to get them buzzed.
And that we're trying to sit in space that we never grew in. Yeah. And now, who are we? We are lashes, contour, snatch, coverage, you say. So the why, the rebrand didn't fully land, energy drain, decisions started to feel harder because I was like, who am I, where are we going? I think we need to just stop and restart, because I don't think what we're developing, I don't think how we're marketing is speaking to the so-suit customer. We gave customers permission to be bold. Like, I am bold. I love looking snatched. I love transforming myself. We celebrated makeup as art, confidence and our armour, and we built a loyal community who wanted to look done, but done in a way where it's still classy, not cakey. And I think we lost her because no one was wearing lashes anymore. No one was going out anymore. And I think it's only really now that we're kind of finding who we are again, and are we going out, we're going out for dinners now and so on.
Yes. I am like built for 2016. I can see some of my 2016 throwbacks, like I am a gal.
Oh yay!
Dead baby.
Good, okay, amazing. So my madness at till 5 this morning is actually the right direction. Okay, I'm a bit emotional.
I feel like you found yourself.
It's
honestly.
right.
So the team are on board. Myself and Paula got emotional. I got emotional. I cried, I won't lie, because the team were buzzing. Like, Sarah, our designer, was like, this is everything I've wanted for the brand since I've been here. I'm so glad you're going back to your roots. The team were so on board. Paula was like, yeah, this is us, we're back. The notes that the social team took was like, we are back, baby. I don't want to jump ahead too much and get too confident too quickly, but I really do feel this is going to be a pivoting moment for us as a brand. This is going to be a key standout moment. I feel fire in my belly again, and I know this direction that we are going to go with is going to be something that you guys are going to love.
We're so back.
Sometimes the biggest shifts don't come from adding more. They come from listening and having the courage to actually change direction. And this was one of those moments for me.
Carla, yeah. I don't want to shoot it up here. Like, this is not so soon.
I'm so nervous about this.
Yeah. You can even get Lynn and Tanya or something coming down here. Yeah. They're getting ready with their champagne glasses. Yeah, this is what I want for everybody. I'm raging.
Thank you for being here. I'll see you next week, where you're going to see lots more behind the scenes. Hurrah.